Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2005 to 2008 Audi A4 and S4? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Instrument panel fuse box. In the 2005 to 2008 Audi A4 and S4, the instrument fuse panel box controls interior functions such as the dashboard display, infotainment system, interior lighting, and climate controls. It also powers essential systems like central locking, power windows, and various safety and diagnostic modules. In the 2005 to 2008 Audi A4 and S4, the connector station at the right A-pillar serves as a central wiring hub for systems like airbags, door electronics, and side curtain sensors. It helps route and manage electrical connections between the dashboard, doors, and safety modules. In the 2005 to 2008 Audi A4 and S4, the relay panels are located beneath the dashboard and behind trim panels. They control high current systems such as the fuel pump, radiator fan, starter relay, and heated rear window, ensuring proper switching and protection for key vehicle operations. In the 2005 to 2008 Audi A4 and S4, the 9-position relay panel is typically located beneath the dashboard and holds relays for systems like the fuel pump, ignition, starter, wiper control, and radiator fan. It ensures efficient control and switching of essential electrical components. In the 2005 to 2008 Audi A4 and S4, the main fuse box is located in the engine compartment and contains high amperage fuses for critical systems. It protects components like the starter motor, alternator, power steering, ABS, and cooling fans, ensuring safe and stable power distribution throughout the vehicle. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.